Chapter 1-2, Divisibility Patterns. Here you see the divisibility chart. I'm not going to read all of the rules to you. I'm just showing you this to identify the numbers that we're looking at today. These numbers, all in red, we want to test to see whether or not they can go into bigger numbers. Now, I don't want to waste your time by doing 7 or 8 long division problems every single number that we go over. There's actually some tricks and rules that'll make it a lot easier. But enough of me talking. Let's jump into it. Problem number 1, 2,320. That's a big number. Now, because it's an even number, that automatically means it can be divided by 2. But if you look, it ends with a 0. That means 5 and 10 work as well. Now 4 is a tricky one. For 4, you only want to look at the back 2 numbers. So I'm really looking at 20. And I'm asking myself, can I do 20 divided by 4? Well, if you can answer yes, 4 works. Now for 3, that's one where we want to add up all the digits. You can see that I've done that below, and I ended up with 7. I can't do 7 divided by 3 and end up with a whole number. That cancels out 3. Now here's where we want to use a trick. Since 3 doesn't work, any number that 3 lands on isn't going to work either. So you can say bye-bye to 6 and 9. Got the hang of it? No? Well, alright, let's do another one. Let's try 325. Right off the bat, 325 is odd. I know 2 doesn't work because 2 only goes in the even numbers. Remember how I talked about shortcuts earlier? Since 2 doesn't work, there's not going to be one single even number that's going to work. So you can cross out 4, 6, and 10. Again, look at the work below. I added up the numbers to see if 3 works. And 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 10. But I can't do 10 divided by 3. At least not without a remainder, and I don't want that today. So 3 doesn't work. Now since 3 doesn't work, 9's not going to work either. Why, you ask? Well, it's pretty simple. 9 has 3 as a factor. That means 3 can go into 9. So if 3 doesn't work, any number that 3 goes into isn't going to work either. So that way, you cross out the 9. That only leaves a 5. And if I look, the back number is a 5, which automatically means 5 works. In this case, 5 is the only number that works. Well, thanks for helping me out today. That covers Chapter 1-2, Divisibility Patterns. As always, if you have any questions, concerns, or would like those notes, please email me or contact me at my website. Thanks, and keep